Hey, what's up, Kabroda crew? Gross Monkey here. Streammaker is actually out of town for the next couple days, so I will be doing the recaps for at least today and tomorrow. I believe I'm probably going to end up doing the weekend one as well. So I'll be kind of going over what's going on. Probably won't be as in depth as Streammaker normally does it, but we'll kind of check it out. So I kind of got the levels on here for yesterday. So we had a kind of break into the price action yesterday as we were kind of beginning the day. About the live stream time, we ended up breaking down here. And we came up and broke back through that high pretty close to like when the live stream was ending. And then we had that retest here. And if you were looking for a trade yesterday, this would have been our first trade of the day. So you had our, where is that stupid thing? There it is. The long position. So we had our first trade of the day here. We would most likely always put our stop under the breakdown here, just in case. So somewhere around there. We had that retest here, which you could have gotten into because I believe on the 5-minute we started to go back up. Yeah, so we had that 50-minute close here, and then we came down, retested the line, started to break back up. Most likely this is kind of the area you'd enter somewhere there. And then we did end up breaking back down into it, which would kind of made you nervous. Possibly could have gotten out there, but if you were holding, then you would have made a nice little move on after the news, which this could have been news too. This we had that news at 9 o'clock, which is probably what this is actually. This is kind of the mess around with the news. People kind of dumped out because they were nervous or whatever, and then we kind of came down, retested the bottom here, the POCs, and then we broke up, and you would have made about a 1.5 to 2 depending on how tight you had your stop. Yeah, it kind of really just depends on where you had your stop at. But again, this is why we always tell people, you know, don't keep your stop way too tight, because if you keep it too tight, you're like, oh well, it shouldn't break back down below that level. It's like, yeah, it always seems to come and just get you out. So it's better to keep that stop longer, possibly below the breakdown most of the time, and then just get out early. You know, if you get down there. But yeah, that would have been our battle box trade for the day. So if you're checking out the live, that's definitely we were talking about that on there. After that, we kind of just went sideways. If you're more of an advanced trader, you definitely could have traded these through here. There was setups throughout the whole day, traded up, traded down, either way. But yeah, that was kind of the battle box setup for that day. We definitely called it out on the live, at least part of it. I believe Spirit Maker's on the live talking about it as well, or at least in the chat he was talking about it breaking up, and I know he definitely got into this move. So yeah, if y'all are looking to catch some more consistently, make sure you check out our live, see where we're going, and definitely check out that battle box because that'll help y'all kind of see these levels a little better, make it a little easier to trade. But yeah, we're kind of in the middle today, so make sure y'all are staying safe. Thanks for watching the video, and we will catch you next time. Happy trading.